Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. And of course, before we continue on with our regular programming, I would like to remind all of you, if you like the videos that you watch here on my channel, please consider subscribing, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So what we have for today's video, it is our Allure beauty box for the month of June. Last month for this box, we got a ton. Well, it was like all skincare. So I can't wait to see what they put in this one. For those of you that don't know about this box, this is a monthly subscription. It is $15 a month. We do get deluxe size samples and occasional full size items. So let's see what we have in here. So like with every box, we get our little paper, like our little booklet with product information. And also if we get any full-size items, they give us MSRP prices there. So we have an idea more or less of what we're getting in the box. So off the bat, I see one full-size item and then something else that I really like. But I'm going to start with this one here because it's a little tiny thing. This is from ROCHE-POSAY. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is why is it all in a different language? Oh no, it's not. It says dermatological anti-wrinkle concentrate, active C10 intensive. So that sounds like it's gonna be something powerful. So we have this little tiny squeezy tube here. So it doesn't really say much here, just says apply morning and night, but doesn't really give us much explanation as to what it is. I think that'll be more on the little booklet. So let's just keep going. And we have something from Believe. Believe is very, known in the subscription boxes with these little tiny samples. And this is the True Cream Aqua Bomb Aloe Vera. So this is soothing and hydrating. I don't usually use these just because these are for extra hydrating and it gets my skin really oily. But this one here, I see that it's something different. It's actually with aloe. The other ones, it smells like regular aloe stuff. The other ones that we got were just regular Aqua Bomb creams, nothing special, nothing scented, but this one has aloe, which I think it might be new. So let's grab this one. So this looks like it's a full-size item, but we'll find out for sure once we get to the end. And this is from Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil. And so this one has coconut oil, vitamin E oil, rice bran oil, avocado seed oil, carrot seed oil, chia seed oil, black sesame seed oil. Oh, I like black sesame seeds, and flaxseed oil. So all of those oils are in here. So if this doesn't hydrate your lips, then I don't know what will. But oh, it has a tint to it too. It has like a pinkish, bright pink tint. I wonder if that comes off when you put it on. Oh, it smells like bubblegum. It reminds me of the lip smackers, lip balms from a long time ago. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, when you put it on, it doesn't really transfer the tint. It just goes on clear. But it does feel oily. It doesn't feel much like a lip gloss. It feels more like oil. There's really no stickiness to it. So it really does feel like you're putting oils on your lips. So I don't know, because it is really oily, I don't think it would stay on your lips as long as lip glosses do, since, the lip glosses have the tackiness, stickiness to it. But of course, you can always put it on and reapply it as many times as you want. So, and then it says down here, it says Pink Shine. So that's the shade for that one. I'm going to grab this one next just because the packaging is interesting and I've never seen anything like this or anything being packaged like this. It is from Star Skin and it is a sheet mask, but there's a step 1 and a step 2. And the step 1 is here. It comes with a little tiny cleanser. And then your step 2 is obviously your mask. So you do have the instructions back here, but this is the first time I've actually seen something come with the cleanser attached to it, like packaged this way. Well, actually, no. I just posted a video for my Luxe box. I think that's where we got it. And it was oh no, actually no. It was from The Box by Fashionista. We received a two-step, like a two-step kind of set where it was the cleanser and a mask, but I think the cleanser was a sheet. It wasn't like a liquid thing like this. And then so like I said, back here you have your steps as to how to use it. And on here it says it's 100% camellia oil. I'm not sure what camellia oil is, but that's what this cleanser is here. So this is our fourth item. And then I left the two items that I was looking at in the beginning till the end because I'm going to start with this one. These are really, really pretty. So we have something from Dashing Diva and we have some, what are these called? So I'm not exactly sure what these are called here, but they're the strips that you put over your nails and they come with color. So these, let me show you. These are like a grayish mauve, like a grayish tone, and some of them have little gold lines across. And then on this side you have the ones that have your designs and they're really, really pretty. These kind of they're on a clear base and they kind of look like stones. And then these are also a clear base, but the design is just a bunch of like random gold lines. So they're really, really pretty. And it says here, it wears just like a salon gel manicure. It lasts up to 14 days and you get 34 strips. So you definitely get more than one use in here. And I am almost 100% sure that this is considered a full-size item. So I was actually, for some time, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with my nails because it's about time, that I do something with them. And now I know what I'm going to do. So as soon as I use these, I'll try to post a picture on like Instagram or something so you guys can kind of see what they look like. But I'm super duper excited because they're really, really pretty. So this is one of the items that I was looking at. And then the other one is this one here. And the reason why I was looking at this one is because this looks like it's a full-size item as well. So this is from Pure Lee's. This is the Watermelon Plus Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. And it is part of their like watermelon line. I know they have like a whole like watermelon line. And this is for all skin types. So this is supposed to help to gently cleanse. It removes makeup and purifies and energizes the skin. So I just want to smell it to see what it smells like. If it's going to smell like watermelon or if it's going to smell like charcoal or a mixture of both. It actually smells like watermelon. I'm surprised. And the cleanser itself doesn't look like it's black. Usually with charcoal items, they're black because of the charcoal. But this one almost looks like it's completely clear. But I don't know. So this one here is the last item. So let's go into our little booklet and see how many of these are actually full-size items. So let's start with this one. So this one here, the Star Skin Mask, MSRP for this one is $10. So off the bat, we're like almost to what we paid for the box. Oh, wow. So this one here, the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil and Pink Shine, MSRP is $28. So both of those there, that's already $38. Then we have the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. So that's what it's called. This one is $9. So that brings us to $47. And then the other full-size item that we have is this one here. It is $18. So what's 18 plus 47? 65? I think it's 65. It's 65. So we have a total value in this box of $65. And then, of course, these two little tiny things are just extras. But that, I think, has probably been one of the highest values we've had in this box. I think this one has been the best box since like I don't know how long. So those were all the products, so that means I am all done here. I am super excited for the things that we actually got in this box. I can't wait to do my nails now. That is all for me for today. I will be back really soon with another video, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.